Have you ever heard the advice not to use cotton swabs for ear cleaning? Most of you probably have. In this video, we will discuss why cotton swabs are dangerous for our ears and why it's best to avoid using them for ear cleaning. Additionally, we'll explore the right way to remove earwax from our ears. There are specialized cells in our ear canal that produce cerumen, commonly known as earwax. Earwax is a natural substance with an acidic and oily nature. It plays a vital role in protecting our ears from infections caused by germs like bacteria and fungus. The oily nature of earwax also shields our ears from dust and moisture, contributing to ear health. There is no need to remove earwax from our ears as it helps maintain healthy ears. Our ears have a natural ability to remove excess earwax on their own. Earwax can be naturally cleaned by washing the ears. However, some people may produce excess earwax, leading to difficulty in listening. Unfortunately, using cotton swabs for ear cleaning is not the solution. In fact, it can push earwax further into the ears, creating a plug of earwax near the eardrum. This trapped earwax cannot be removed naturally and, over time, it becomes dry and hard, resulting in a disturbance of our sense of hearing. Apart from impacting our hearing, using cotton swabs for ear cleaning can be even more hazardous. They may puncture our eardrums, potentially leading to hearing loss. Thus, it is crucial to never use cotton swabs for ear cleaning. To safely clean your ears, avoid using cotton swabs. Instead, the best option is to clean your ears by gently inserting warm water inside. Thank you for watching.